Hi everyone, welcome back. In this section, we are going to take a look at how to cut and split lines in EasyEDA. When you are drawing schematics or working on a PCB, you often need to adjust the routing, for example, splitting a long wire, removing part of it, or reworking the connection. In situations like this, knowing how to break a line properly is really helpful. The core process is actually very simple and only takes 2 steps. First, if the line you are working with is a combined line, you need to separate it first. Just right-click on the line and from the menu choose Dispersed as independent line. This will break the original line into individual segments. Second, double-click on the line at the point where you want to cut it. EasyEDA will automatically create a node there. Then select the extra segment and press the DEL key to remove it. That's it, the line is now cut. Overall, this method is quick and easy to use. Once you get familiar with it, you'll be able to adjust your wiring much more flexibly and handle different design requirements with ease. That's all for this section. See you in the next one.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.